Hello students, last day you saw that how actually Kezia's father ordered her mother to take the child, to take the Kezia to upstairs in her room and just put her into the bed as instantly as possible. Instantly means quickly. And before that, she also asked her to fetch down the damned thing. What is the damned thing here? This damned thing is actually the thing that she made by using his valuable piece of paper, by filling that paper in the cushion. Kezia is right now crying a lot for all of these things that has happened and the chiding that she has got from her father. Crying too much to explain, she lay in the shadowed room watching the evening light make a sad little pattern on the floor. So now Kezia is just laying on her bed in that dark room, and she is seeing that how the darkness is forming a pattern onto the floor of a room. Then father actually came into her room with a ruler in his hands. I am going to beat you for this, see, he said. Father has come into Kezia's room, and is actually how he has come. He has come by holding a stick, holding a ruler in his hand, and he is saying to Kezia that I am going to beat you for the mischievous act that you have done. But Kezia is screaming, oh no, no, she is screaming, hiding under the bedclothes. She just hid herself inside under the bedclothes, and then she screamed, no, no, no. And what did her father do? Her father actually pulled the bedclothes down, and then he ordered Kezia to sit up and hold out your hands, like a teacher, as teachers told the students to hold out the hand. Just like that, Kezia's father actually asked her to hold out her hand. And then Kezia's father actually told her that you must be taught once and for all not to touch what does not belong to you. Once and for all is student used for always. So Kezia's father is telling her that you need to learn a lesson. You needed to be taught something, so that you do not touch the thing from now on that does not belong to you. Just for learning a lesson that never touch a thing that is not yours. But it was your birthday. But somehow Kezia able to reply that she was making that cushion because of the father himself. She was trying to give the father a surprise, a birthday gift, and that is exactly and that's for why she was making that gift. Down came the ruler on her. Kezia tried to spoke stuttering, but at the same time the father's ruler just came on Kezia's little pink palms. Palms means student the hand, and her hand is very little and of pink color, and she caught a beating of her life. Hours later, this incident, when grandmother had wrapped her in a shawl and rocked her in the rocking chair, the child clung to her soft body. What did God make fathers for? She sobbed. And then, by clinging with her grandmother, she is asking on the rocking chair. She is asking her grandmother, I don't know why God make these fathers for. Actually, they don't deserve to be on earth. That's what Kezia is asking to her grandmother. She is saying that what did God make fathers for? Is there any need for fathers? That's what the Kezia is pondering upon.